Hello. Welcome to Oklahoma City University's Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning's demonstration tutorial on how to use Microsoft Teams to record a video. You can do this one of two ways. You can use the Microsoft Teams app installed on your computer, or you can use the Microsoft Teams app within the browser. The process is the same. Since I'm using Microsoft Teams to record this video, I'm going to show you the browser. Open up a new tab or window and go to office.com. You'll need to log in using your Oklahoma City University's Microsoft 365 credentials. Once you've logged in, click this waffle icon up here and click Teams. You can also click Teams here, but I always use the waffle icon. It shows up in multiple places across the Microsoft Office suite. If you are recording an asynchronous lecture, you can just click Meet Now. If you're recording a synchronous lecture with some students, you can click New Meeting. I encourage you, if you are developing a university-owned course, to do asynchronous and click Meet Now. When this screen first turns on, your camera might be turned off. If you need to turn that on, click this toggle button next to the camera. If there's an error and the device is still not working, but you know you've toggled the camera on, come over here and click this gear icon to open the device settings. At the top, you'll see settings for speakers, setting a microphone, and then down here, your camera. Under the camera, please make sure that you have selected the appropriate device. Once you have done so, click Join Now. Again, since I'm recording this video to post to my course later, I'm not going to invite anyone to this meeting with me. I'm just going to close this down, and I want to share my screen and then record. So I'm going to click Share, and I'm going to select this first option, Screen, Window, or Tab. I'm going to click up here, Entire Screen. I have two monitors connected to my computer right now, so that's why I have two screen options. However, you may only have one monitor, and so you will only have one screen option to choose from. Click that screen option and then click Share. I know that my Microsoft PowerPoint presentation is going to show on my screen 1. This pop-up down here shows you that it is it is sharing your screen. Now we're ready to record. Make sure you have your PowerPoint open and ready to go. I'm going to come up here and click More, Record and Transcribe, Start Recording. You'll get a message saying it's starting the recording. And then as it starts the recording, the transcription window will show. And as you begin speaking, your words will be transcribed for students with disabilities or students that need captions or transcripts later on. All right, so now I can just, again, we know that my screen is being shared because of this window here. So I can switch over to my Microsoft PowerPoint and begin my slideshow. Here I am starting a lecture on Martin Luther. and I can continue to do what I need to do. Let's say I'm finished with my lecture recording. I can close my Microsoft PowerPoint. I can come up here and say stop the recording. So I'm going to click More, Record and Transcribe again, and now this has changed to Stop Recording. Click that Stop Recording button, and it'll ask you to verify you would like to stop recording. Click this second Stop button, and it'll verify that the recording has stopped. Then you can stop sharing your screen by clicking this Stop Sharing button. If you are finished, click Leave. You can then find this recording by opening up your Microsoft OneDrive or Microsoft Stream. I'm going to show you both. Click the waffle icon if you still have your Microsoft Teams still open, and I'm going to click on OneDrive. Click on My Files, and then you should have a folder now called Recordings in your Microsoft OneDrive account. Again, this is your Oklahoma City University account. Open the Recordings folder, and the video lecture you just recorded is now showing. You can also find this in Microsoft Stream. You don't know how to find Microsoft Stream, there's a couple of ways of finding it. You can click the waffle icon and click Explore All Your Apps. And here at the top on the search bar, just type in Stream. There you are. You can also find this by going to stream.office.com. And there's my recording. It'll show in two places in the Microsoft Stream. It'll show right here as a screenshot, and then you'll see it here down here as well. But let's say you want to download this to your computer. Why would you want to download it? Well, you need to download this if you're recording this video lecture to be embedded in a university-owned course. Once you have recorded the video, you will need to download it and then send that video to the Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning, and we will embed it into the course. However, if it is an instructor or faculty-owned course, you can embed it yourself. In a later video, I'll show you how to do that. But to download it in either file, I'm just going to use Microsoft OneDrive. I'm just going to open it. Message saying it's starting the recording. And then you'll see a download button here at the upper left-hand corner. I'll download that. There it is in my downloads folder. In Microsoft Stream, you could do the same thing. Just open it. And then up here at the top, click the ellipsis and then click download. I'm not going to click download again because I've already downloaded the video once. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to CETL and the Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning, and we'll be sure to help you.